Have you ever wanted to trade in the stock market, but thought to yourself, I'm not putting my money in there so I can lose it all? That was me. For many, many years, I was curious about the stock market, but I was too afraid that I would lose all my money if I tried. So today's video is how you can start trading in the futures market with less than $25. Let's get right to it. Watch this video until the end so you can get all the coupon codes that I have available. All right, so your very first step is you need a NinjaTrader account. All right, NinjaTrader is a software platform that enables you to trade the futures market, right? So, this is where you would connect your prop firm. Now, I'm going to get to the prop firm in just a moment, but the prop firm is the reason you can start trading the futures market for less than $25. All right, so step number one, go to ninjatrader.com, open you an account. Just open you a regular account. It could be a personal or a business account, and it may take a day or two before you are active. All right, step one out of the way. Let's go to step number two. Now, step number two is go to my new YouTube page. Now, my name is Katina Trades, but for some reason, I can't get a URL yet because I don't have any subscribers yet. So go to my new page and subscribe because I am documenting my whole trading journey. All right, I've been trading full time since June 2023. Okay, and at first I was winning a lot, then I started losing, and now I'm just breaking even. So it's been a roller coaster ride, and so that is why I decided to start documenting my journey. This way it'll help me stick to my rules and all of that. So go and find me. I'm going to put the link below this video. And what I mean by below is when you're watching the video, hold on one second. When you're watching the video, let me pause that. Underneath it, you'll see more. You'll see the word more, and this is where all my links will be. So if you want to see my wins, my losses, if you want to see the good, bad, and ugly about my trading journey to become a very, very profitable trader in the futures market, be sure to follow me on that YouTube page, okay? Because I am going to be giving so many tips, and it will help you to get further faster if you are a beginner at trading, okay? So again, Katina Trades, that's the new channel. All right. The next step number three. Step number three, again, everything is under the video, right? So underneath the video, you will get to look at all of the trading plans from the prop firm. Okay, now here is the plan. All right, so when you get connected with a prop firm, I'm going to give you a link below this video. Now, as you can see, it says here $147 a month in order for you to get an account that's $25,000. Or you can get an account that's $50,000 and it's $167 a month. But guess what? With my coupon code, you can start with less than $25. I just got me a $50,000 account, and it only cost me around $16 because there's a sale right now that's 90% off. All right, here we go with the coupon code. Here we go right here now. I'm going to put it below, but it's ASVYOD like David, W like woman, and M like man. All right, that is the coupon code. It's right here. Okay, and it's going to be below this video, but let me just tell you a little bit about how it works. So once you get one of these plans, I would say the 50,000 is the most popular for beginners, but if you do have some experience in the market, the 150K is what a lot of people have really like, the 150K account. Okay, so check out the 50 or the 150, or the 100K is pretty good too. Now let me explain that. This one says 100K static. All right, now let me explain what that means, okay? Because with the $50,000 account, you have to do an evaluation first, and that's what you're paying for. So in this evaluation, that's going to cost you less than $25. And you know, I'm saying less than 25 because I don't know what the price may be in the future with right now being a 90% off sale, but they often do have 80% off sales too. So just in case, but your goal to reach every day is you want to reach a goal of $3,000. That is how you get approved for a funded account. All right, you want to make $3,000 in this account. That's how you get funded. Now let's talk about the bad news. You cannot lose $2,500. You cannot lose $2,500, and you can play you can do 100 micros or 10 minis. Okay, and so let's just talk about the main you know, what I mainly play is S&P 500. Well, it's called ES and futures. Okay, and this is the chart. So I'll put the charting software below as well, but this is the chart. So now, you know, let me know in the comments if you want information on the indicators that I'm using. Let me know that. Let me know also if you want a tutorial about TradingView, the charting software that I use. All right, but mainly now let's just talk about, so I mainly use ES. All right, ES, this is the main one I trade, or my favorite to trade is QQQ, which is NQ, which is NAS 100. You might hear a lot of people in Forex call it NAS 100. NAS 100 consists of the 100 top tech stocks like Meta, like Google, like Apple. All right, that's who's in there. And then S&P 500, which is SPY, which is ES on futures. You got JP Morgan, you got Apple, you got Visa, you got Berkshire Hathaway, you got oil. Okay, so those are the top that I trade, but you could also trade oil, which is CL. All right, you see right here it says light crude oil. So now I'm gonna just tell you, I've been trading full time, like I said, since June, but I started with options. And you know, once starting with futures, it makes no sense for me to trade options anymore. In my opinion, futures is so much easier. So again, if you're ready to test the waters for less than $25 and start trading futures, click on this link below and use this coupon code so you can get your discount. And also I'm going to give you a discount so that you can get you a TradingView account for absolutely free. All right, so check below right there. Post any questions or comments that you have for me about this video about futures trading. I will be so happy to help. And that's it for today. That's it, y'all. That's it. But again, get your NinjaTrader account, get that going. And then step number one, like I said, get your NinjaTrader account. And you know what, y'all? Give me a thumbs up too before you go. Don't forget, show me some love. You know, that enables me to keep giving out the free and the good information. So please show me some love. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more ways to make money online from home and from your phone. All right, y'all, I'm Katina the Broker. So again, quick recap of this video. Step number one, get you a NinjaTrader account. Step number two, go to my new YouTube channel because I am going to be posting my full trade journey. Okay, as you can see, I got a couple videos, a couple shorts showing my profits and all of that. And so yeah, so take a go there. And then step number three is to get your coupon code so that you can start trading with less than $25. And let's just talk real quick too before we go. Why choose a funding program? Number one, you receive 100% commission of the first $25,000 per account, and then after that, you just pay a simple 10% for using other people's money to trade. All right. Another benefit about choosing this funding program is you get 2 payouts per month. Another benefit, you can qualify and be finished with the evaluation process in as little as 7 days. So there's a whole other big list of reasons, but just click on my link below so that you can see all of the benefits. And that's it. I'm not going to talk y'all to death. Thanks for watching. It's Katina the Broker. I appreciate you. See you next time.